In this video, I want to share with you 10 questions that you should ask when visiting an open house. The homeowner or the real estate agent hosting the open house should have the answers ready available without hesitation. Hi, I'm Gary Fabian with Coldwell Banker Realty in Charleston, South Carolina. Let's go. Number 1, does the home have any recent upgrades? Asking about recent upgrades in a home can give you an idea of its current condition and potential value. Upgrades can increase the home's functionality, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. Knowing if a home has had recent upgrades can also help you identify any potential maintenance or repair needs. Number 2, why is the seller moving? Asking why the seller is moving can give you valuable insight into their motivations for selling the property. For example, if they are moving because they need more space, it may indicate the property is not suitable for a larger family. Alternatively, if they are moving because of a job change, it may indicate they are in a hurry to sell and could be open to negotiation. Knowing the reason for the sale can help you make a more informed decision when considering whether to purchase the property. Number 3, has the seller received any offers? Asking the home seller if they've received any offers can give you valuable insight into the level of interest in the property and can help you determine how competitive the buying process might be. Knowing this information can help you make a more informed decision about whether or not to make an offer on the home and how much to offer. Number 4, is this home in a flood zone? There could be several reasons why someone would want to know if a home is in a flood zone. One common reason is that living in a flood zone could affect the cost of the home insurance or increase the risk of flood damage to the property. Understanding the flood zone status of a home can help homeowners and home buyers make informed decisions. Number 5, what is the neighborhood like? Asking about the neighborhood can provide valuable information about safety, noise levels, access to amenities, and the overall community. It can help you make an informed decision about whether a particular location is a good fit for your needs and lifestyle. Number 6, how long has the home been on the market? Asking how long a home has been on the market can give you an idea of how desirable the property is to potential buyers. If it has been on the market for a long time, it may indicate that there are issues with the property, the price is too high, or the location is not desirable. Knowing this information can help you make a more informed decision when considering purchasing a home. Number 7, is there an HOA and what does it cover? Asking about a homeowners association and what it covers is important because it can impact your monthly expenses and your ability to make changes to your property. HOAs can require monthly fees and have rules and regulations about what you can and can't do with your property. Knowing this information up front can help you make an informed decision about whether a particular property is right for you. Number 8, when was the roof replaced? Asking when the roof was last replaced can provide important information about the condition of the roof and help you determine if any maintenance or repairs are needed. It can also give you an idea of when the roof may be needed to be replaced again in the future. Number 9, when was the AC replaced? Knowing when the air conditioner has been replaced can help you determine its age and potential maintenance needs. It can also give you an idea of the energy efficiency of the unit and help you plan for potential replacement or repairs in the future. And number 10, what conveys with the home? Asking what conveys with the home sale is important as it helps you understand what items will be included or excluded from the sale of the property. This can include appliances, fixtures, or other personal property. Knowing what is included can impact the overall value of the sale and help avoid any misunderstandings or disputes between the buyer and the seller. So, there you have it, 10 questions to ask at an open house. If you found this information helpful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things real estate. Be sure to reach out to me by phone at 843-209-2801 or email gary.fabian@cbrealty.com. If I can help you with any real estate needs, reach out to me. See you next time.